Hey car enthusiast, welcome back to COOLANT Tech Zone. Decoding coolant, your complete guide to automotive radiator fluids. Hey there gearheads, welcome back to the go-to spot for all things automotive. Today we're cracking the code on something crucial for your engine's health. Radiator coolant. So buckle up and join me as we dive into the fascinating world of automotive radiator fluids. First things first, why is coolant so important? Well, your car's engine generates a tremendous amount of heat while running. The coolant plays a crucial role in keeping the engine temperature in check, preventing it from overheating. We'll discuss the science behind this process and why it's vital for the longevity of your vehicle. There's not just one type of coolant out there. In this segment, we'll explore the different types of coolants available, such as ethylene glycol-based and propylene glycol-based coolants. We'll discuss their advantages, disadvantages, and which one might be the best fit for your specific vehicle. Ethylene glycol-based coolants are the most widely used type in automotive applications. They have excellent heat transfer properties, efficiently absorbing and dissipating heat from the engine. They are also effective at preventing freezing in cold temperatures, providing protection against engine damage in winter. However, ethylene glycol is toxic, so it requires careful handling and disposal. Spills can harm pets and wildlife, and it's important to dispose of it properly. Propylene glycol-based coolants are often used as an alternative to ethylene glycol. In some applications they are non-toxic, making them safer for handling and disposal. They also have a lower environmental impact, making them a more eco-friendly option. However, propylene glycol generally has slightly lower heat transfer efficiency compared to ethylene glycol, and it may be more expensive. Ever wondered why coolants come in different colors? We'll break down the significance of coolant colors and what they mean for your engine. Additionally, we'll talk about the role of additives in coolants and why they are essential for preventing corrosion and extending the life of your radiator. Coolants come in various colors, and while color is not an absolute indicator of the type of coolant, it can provide some information. Traditional green coolants are often associated with ethylene glycol. Orange or pink coolants may use organic acid technology, OAT, and can be either ethylene glycol or propylene glycol based. Yellow coolants may be a mix of oat and inorganic additives known as hybrid organic acid technology, HOAT, coolants. Remember, always refer to your vehicle's manual to determine the recommended coolant type and specifications. Mixing different types of coolants is generally not recommended, as it can reduce the effectiveness of the coolant and may lead to engine issues. Now that you know about the types and additives, let's dive into practical tips for maintaining your coolant system. We'll cover how to check coolant levels, when to flush and replace coolant, and other essential maintenance practices to keep your engine running smoothly. No automotive topic is complete without discussing common problems. We'll address issues like coolant leaks, overheating, and how to troubleshoot these problems effectively. Knowing how to identify and fix these issues can save you from costly repairs down the road. And there you have it, folks, a comprehensive guide to automotive radiator coolants. I hope this video helps you understand the importance of coolant. Choose the right type for your vehicle and maintain a healthy cooling system. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things automotive. Until next time, happy wrenching. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep it cool on the road.